Hey guys, this is Alex and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. And now we're solving problem 1493, longest subarray of 1's after deleting one element. Yeah, we don't. This should move to the other part, shouldn't it? Yes, it should. So given the binary array nums, something like this, let me just move my webcam to this side. We need to find out the longest sequence of 1's if we delete one number. And we have to delete it. You should delete one element. So yeah, here we are. So I think what we need to do is we need to iterate over the array and count the 0 that we find and replace it with a 1. Then if we find another 0, we need to pretty much disregard this and continue iterating. So, okay, let's count this as a 1, okay, 4 1's. Let's remove the first 0 we could find. Cool, now we continue. Damn, let's remove the first 0 we can find. And then we continue. So, and this is the same thing. Okay, all 1's, great. But if we never found a 0, we need to at least remove 1. So, yeah, that's it. So let's code. So make directory 1493 longest sub after delete 1493. So solution.py. Cool, list. And now let's say window is a list of integers that starts with nothing. And so for num in nums and has found a 0 false. For num in nums, if num equals 1, then window.append 1. Else, if it's a 0, then we're going to do stuff. But at the end, regardless, we need to say that best window size equals the maximum of best window size and length of window. So what happens if we find and then in the end, if not has found a 0, best window size, it's the maximum of 0 and best window size minus 1. This we cannot have a minus 1 as a result, so return best window size. Okay, so now what do we do here? We iterate, and if we find a 0, we can check, hey, number of zeros starts with 0. So if num of zeros equals 0, then I guess we can just window.append 0 and number of zeros plus equals 1. Else, so if number of zeros is 1 or bigger, but it will be 1, we need to, so for index in range of window, of length of window, if window of index equals 0, then window equals window of index plus 1 onwards. So we're shrinking the window until we remove the first 0 we can find, and then break. And then at the end we just add a new 0. Window.append 0. We don't add the number of zeros because we just removed one and we add another one, so the number of zeros becomes constant. So let's just submit this. Let's see if we're lucky. Well, we were. So the time was less than 27%. Memory was pretty good. So I'm happy. Hope you guys are happy. And I'll see you later. Bye.